साइकिल उससे क्या होता है क्वाड्रिलेटरल?
Okay, so first of all, you need to understand that what is meant by cyclic quadrilateral. You know what is meant by quadrilateral?
फोर साइड शेप.
Yeah, any shape which have four sides that is known as quadrilateral. Now the question is what is meant by cyclic quadrilateral? Okay, so actually if let's say this is circle, okay, and you draw the quadrilateral inside this, and that is, let's say, like this. Or like this. So actually cyclic quadrilateral, it has all of its vertices on the circumference of the circle. Okay, this is the vertex
सर्कल
of
पे सही है.
जी सर्कल पे होने चाहिए. That is known as cyclic quadrilateral. This is the vertex of quadrilateral, this is the vertex of quadrilateral, this is the vertex of quadrilateral, and this is the vertex of quadrilateral, and all of its vertex is on the circumference of the circle. Okay, और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि शेप कोई भी हो, ज़रूरी नहीं कि स्ट्रेट लाइन इसी तरह का शेप होना चाहिए, इस तरह का भी हो सकता है, यानी डिफरेंट ऑपोजिट साइड्स भी हो सकते हैं. बट ओनली इट हैज़ ओनली वन कंडीशन, एंड दैट कंडीशन इज इट्स वर्टिसेस इज लाई ऑन द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, बस ये इसका कंडीशन, दैट इज नॉन एज साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. अच्छा, अगर यहाँ पे आप देख लो, सो दिस एंगल इज 90 degree, and this angle will be equal to this angle, which is also equal to 90 degree. So in cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, 90 plus 90, that's equal to 180 degree.
जरूरी है.
Yeah, in cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle will always be equal to 180 degree. Okay.
Okay.
Acha, and this is not necessary that your this angle will always be equal to this angle. It will be equal to this angle, or it will not be equal to this angle. Okay, like in this case, this angle is not equal to this angle. Your A angle is not equal to B angle, but your interior A angle will be equal to the exterior opposite angle. So this is the exterior opposite angle. Let's say this is C. So in cyclic quadrilateral, your interior angle, which is A, this will always be equal to the exterior opposite angle. Okay, so this is the opposite angle, and the exterior angle is C. So this will always be equal to C. Like your this angle, which is D, this will always be equal to the opposite exterior angle, this. Okay. So ये दो बातें आपने साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल में याद रखनी है. एक बात ये है कि सम ऑफ ऑपोजिट एंगल will always be equal to 180 degree, and the interior angle will be equal to the exterior opposite angle.
Yeah.
Okay. So in question, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are 3x plus 10 degree and 2x plus 20 degree. Find the angles. So opposite angles are given to me. Let's say this is 3x plus 10 degree, and this angle is 2x plus 20. So these two opposite angles are given to me, and the question is find the angles. So as we know that in cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle, the sum of opposite angles will always be equal to 180 degree. So you will add these two angles, 3x plus 10 plus 2x plus 20, and that is equal to 180 degree. So this will be equal to 5x plus 30, and that is equal to 180 degree. So your 5x will be equal to 150 degree. So your x will be equal to 30 degree. So this is not the final answer. The question is find the angle. So we need to find this angle. So 3x plus 10. So instead of x, I will put 30. So this will become 90. Yeah, this will be equal to 100 degree.
तो 100.
And this,
80 होगा.
No, this will be, yeah, 80. Yeah, this is 80. What about C? C क्या होगा?
C will be 80.
No,
100, sorry.
100. Yeah, C will be
Yeah.
equal to the opposite interior angle. Okay. So your angle will be equal to 180 degree.